Hello, my name is Ed Boyd, and welcome to my lab. What we're going to do today is install VirtualBox, install FreeNAS as a guest OS, and boot it as a virtual machine. We're going to use the administrative GUI that comes with FreeNAS. We're going to configure the host name, a RAID Z volume, set up a CIFS share, mount the CIFS share, and then copy data to the CIFS share. This is all in an effort to start building your virtual data center for the labs. In the guide, you have instructions on how to download VirtualBox. So you go to the Oracle website, select download, select the type of host that you have, a Windows host, Mac OS, Linux, or Solaris. In my case, I'm running on Mac OS right now. So I'm going to go ahead and save the file to my disk. You can see it's downloading. VirtualBox will support both 32-bit and 64-bit machines. In our case, we're just going to go ahead and use the 32-bit machine. I recommend that for these labs. It'll use less memory unless you've got a computer that has, a good 16 to 32 gigabytes of memory. You want to stick with the 32-bit images. All right, so we've got it downloaded. It's right here, right? And what I've done is I've saved it off into a folder on my machine. That's called VirtualBox. I actually have a couple of different images here. I have an older version, and I'm bringing up the newer version just to make sure it works for the lab. Once you do that, mount the image. This is all in the guide. There's also instructions on how to do this for Windows. I'll show you that in a minute. Pretty much the same process. Very, very easy. So now that we have it running, right, we just click on this package here. And do the install. It's fairly quick. It's a very simple package to add onto your Apple machine, or Windows for that matter. Just takes a couple of minutes. I'm using a solid state disk drive in my computer. It does really make things run a lot faster. And it's cleaning up. Does not take 25 minutes to do this install. Doesn't even take 4 minutes. Okay, install is completed. And close this up. You can also unmount the image, the ISO image. So the next thing we have in our instructions is to just verify that we have it mounted on our dock. So I'll go into my applications folder, I'll find VirtualBox, I'll drag it onto the desktop here, and here we go, here it is. You can click it. and we have it running. So that's how you install VirtualBox and get it running. It's very, very simple. Okay, now let's take a look at how to do this on a PC. I've got my Windows Vista running here. I'm going to do the download. In this case, I'm picking for a Windows machine. We're going to go ahead and run the script. Fairly simple. Download the package. Go ahead and just let it take the defaults on the install. Let it create a shortcut for your desktop. We'll go ahead and let it use it. I trust the local guys there. There's nothing earth-shattering there, just your typical Windows installation. Yes, I want to do it. Yes, I want to do it. Yes, I want to do it. Kind of stuff. And now we have VirtualBox running on the machine. That's how simple it is. Here's a shortcut.